So you will see in this video, things are slightly different because I wanted to also share, the experience of traveling. Sometimes in the UK, there is, the training schedules that sometimes change along the way, and sometimes you have to just travel late in in a day. Sorry, too much light happening here. And sometimes it's unplanned, right? So in this video, you will see I left home, I think late, around 6 o'clock in the evening. I was hoping to get to Portsmouth. At least the latest was around 10 p.m. But I got there, guys, at around 12. I had done some booking on booking.com. I think it was the first hotel was the Marriott Hotel. I get there, guys. Actually, I get to the training station at 12 midnight. I think I was probably the second person in the train. Thank goodness that the training system, at least at some level, it's always safe. I get there, guys, 12 p.m. The training station has at least a place where you could sit, wait for your Uber. I had already requested for an Uber, but I thought that the Uber would be there by the time I get there. I kid you not. Like those movies where you see like a girl under a lamp at the subway and they're checking you out. I was literally doing that. Now, listen, I'm a girl from Soweto, the townships. Anyone that knows about Soweto will know that your eyes have to always away. Yo. Anyway, the taxi driver, I'm like, hey, dude, please hurry up. Staying under the line, checking my surroundings. Where do I need to run? How do I leave the bag? Because the place was just shut. No one inside that train stop. So in any event, the guy rocks up 10, 10, 15 minutes. It felt like, like 10 days. So I was panicked, like, what happens? Like, if something happens, my husband is not there, I don't have family. My sister-in-law, I left her, like, she's in London. Anyway, so, I'm like, oh, the guy shows up, at least I'm like, okay, I'm going to get to the Marriott and just, take my video and then chill a bit. Lo and behold, I get to Marriott. They're like, wait a minute, your name? I'm like, yeah, I'm giving them my name and, booking.com. I'm showing them, yeah, this is the. Now, you guys know my last video, I think when we needed to go for a holiday, I can't remember if it was Easter, I did a video on that where booking.com and this place where when I got there, it was another, you know, debacle where the guys were like, oh, we don't know, you didn't book with us, blah, blah. So I was like, deja vu. Anyway, I'm like, yo, when they told me that, I'm like, quickly, like, and now it's like 12:05. The guy comes back like, hey, dude, the Uber driver, I call him back. I'm like, yeah, we've got to move on. We get to the Holiday Inn because I'm now booking, same to booking.com or what, just to get to a place where I'm safe. I get there, and when I get to the Holiday Inn, same story. Like, yo, we don't have space. So who did you book with booking.com? What is happening today? So finally, you'll see I get to Village Hotel, where fortunately or unfortunately for me, it is a handicapped room, which is quite nice. That they do have places like that support people that are disabled, and I was more than happy, honestly. So enjoy the video, guys. I just wanted to give you a view of just that day, 3 hotels down the line, well, 2 hotels down the line, I finally got to my hotel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and maybe let me know about your experiences with booking.com or any other bookings. I mean, for me, it was like, oh, not again. And I keep doing it, hoping for the same, a better output. But let me know, guys. Love you all for watching. Enjoy the video. Bye-bye. Portsmouth, and just walking through the area. Let's see, empty space here. This is actually cute. Right? A spa in the club there, and the shower in the car. Okay. This one's here. Oh, this one. Very strange setup. I'll tell you a story about the situation I have right here. But anyway. There's coffee, tea, the usual setup. But then again, door linking. Okay, so good. Okay, cute, but not feeling highly safe, to be honest. We're gonna do us nice. Okay, so the price is 400. I booked for 2 days, for 2 nights. 400 odd for 2 nights. I'll give you all the details. Portsmouth Village, the Village Hotel. Okay. All right, all. Have a good one. Ciao.